Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 2 in a series on making a sheath for this dyed knot. Today I'm going to sand it down, mark for the stitching holes, and drill the holes out. Now we'll get to it. As everyone saw in part 1, I cut the parts of this sheath rough and larger to allow for trimming and sanding. Since then, I've lowered the refinement on my leathercraft knives to make cutting the heavier weight levers easier. I am using a medium grit sanding disc on this new Dremel to make it easier to start out with. In just a moment, I'm going to change the sanding drum to a fine grit before we do the hand sanding. As this is a learning video, I had to make a few adjustments which led to the symmetry of his sheath being off. I also had to remove the guide to allow for sanding the thickness of this sheath. With making a few changes, I feel the future sheaths will look nicer. Off camera, I used a groover to mark my lines for the pricking chisels. I do this on the assembled sheath and then drill the holes. This gives me much better results and makes the process go smoother. I start the process in normal speed so everyone can see what I am doing before I fast forward the video. In a moment, we move over to the Dremel Drill Press to drill the holes. I start out slow on that as well. If you've noticed on the last couple of videos, when I get to the fast forward section, I double the speed 5 different times. That gives us the speed we have here. After all the holes are drilled, I go back over the holes with a pricking chisel off camera. This will be the conclusion of part 2 of this series. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.